Hey there, so if you ever see this type of a leaf on your philodendron, try not to freak out because it's actually not bad. It is a phenomenon called guttation, and this usually happens in the morning after you've watered your philodendron. You can see it does look like wet patches, which you might be tempted to think are rotting or bacterial infections or things of the sorts, but actually they are not. It's just guttation, and it will go away as the day progresses. You might have it happen the next day as well, as long as the soil is still slightly wet. Water droplets can also form at the very edge of your leaf. Typically, they can form at the edge of the leaf and then just slide down due to gravity to the very tip of the leaf. And even this leaf, you can see it has a little bit of a wet patch here on the sides, and that is again very, very normal. Do not freak out. So let's come back a little later and see how this leaf is looking like. And here we are a little later in the afternoon. The leaf is absolutely fine. Well, it was fine earlier as well. So those wet looking patches or sunken patches or whatever you want to call them, they are absolutely normal. And I do notice that with velvet-leafed plants generally, they can look rather scary, but it doesn't really mean anything. And yeah, if you ever see these patches, it's absolutely fine. They will not tend to appear as dramatic as the soil tends to dry out throughout the days. You're gonna rewater this guy when it's kind of almost dry. Well, towards the end of the period, you're gonna notice that it will start to exude less and less water. So that is absolutely normal. But immediately after watering, it will look like that. So that's about it. Hope this video put your mind at ease. And with that said, I'll see you next time. Bye.